What are the Mars sample tubes for sample return? Imagine holding a tiny piece of another planet in your hand. That's what these small tubes are designed to do. They are the key to bringing Martian rocks and soil back to Earth. These tubes are part of a big plan called the Mars Sample Return Mission. NASA and the European Space Agency are working together to collect samples from Mars and bring them home for study. The tubes are made mainly of titanium. This metal is strong, light, and keeps the samples safe from contamination. Each tube is about the size of a pencil and weighs less than 2 ounces. They have a white coating that reflects sunlight, helping keep the samples cool and unaltered. Each tube has a laser-etched serial number so scientists can track them all through the mission. The NASA Perseverance rover carries 43 of these tubes inside its belly. As it explores the Jezero crater, it drills into rocks and soil to collect samples. The rover then seals each sample inside a tube using its sample caching system. Once sealed, the rover places the tubes in specific spots on the surface, spaced several meters apart. This pattern helps the next part of the mission, which is the sample retrieval lander, to find and pick them up. The tubes are not all collected at once. They are scattered in a zigzag pattern across several areas about 5.5 meters wide. This setup allows small helicopters and a sample fetch rover to visit each tube individually. The retrieval vehicles pick up one tube at a time and bring it to the Mars Ascent Vehicle, a rocket that will launch the sealed samples into orbit around Mars. From there, an Earth return orbiter will catch the container, seal it in a sterilized capsule, and bring it back to Earth. The whole process is expected to be finished around the years 2031 to 2033. Once on Earth, scientists will quarantine and analyze the samples in special labs. These samples could tell us about Mars, geology, climate history, and maybe even signs of past life. So these tiny tubes are more than just containers. They are the bridge to unlocking many secrets of the red planet. Their design, placement, and retrieval are all vital for the success of this incredible mission. They enable scientists to study Martian material in ways that remote robots simply cannot. Without these sample tubes, the chance to learn about Mars in such detail would be impossible. They are small but mighty, holding the future of space exploration in their tiny frames.